Hi guys, welcome to Software Tech. In this video, I will show you how you can add tilt hover in your WordPress blog like this using WPBakery page builder. For this, first you need to log into the dashboard. Now once you successfully logged into your site, now we will add a plugin called VC add-ons for WPBakery. For this, hover our plugins and click on add new plugin. Now go to upload plugins, choose file. Here's Visual Composer Kit, shortly known as VC Kit plugin. Double click to choose file. This plugin was a premier plugin. I have pasted link in description. You can download it from there. Now click on install now button. Here you can see installing was started. Wait until installing. Now click on activate plugin. Now you have successfully activated the plugin. Go back to dashboard. Before proceeding further, please like this video, comment if you have any suggestion, and subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notification about future updates. Now go to post and click on add new. Add post title and publish the post. After publishing, click on WPBakery page builder and then click on backend editor. Now click on add element button. Go to kit add-ons and here you can see tilt hover widget. Click on it. Here you have 8 different styles of tilt hover. I'll select style 1. Now add image. Now here you have to add title. Add subtitle. Now you can add enable transition. You can change primary color and opacity of overlay. Leave them now. Just save changes and review the changes. Now here's the text heading and the subheading. Image in background, and when you hover over, it will tilt like this. Now we will change the tilt animation. For this, go back to editor, edit the widget and change style to style 2. Save changes and preview again. Now it will look like this. Go back to editor, check remaining this one and select which one you want to add. I'm selecting just style 7, save changes and review the changes. Now it will look like this. You can use any of style from given 8 styles in plugin. Hope you learned something from this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.